Tesla FSD Beta version 12.3 rolling out. Tesla is rolling out the latest version of its full self-driving FSD Beta to customers in the US, as the company continues the deployment of its highly anticipated version 12. On early Saturday morning, close Tesla software follower Teslascope announced that the FSD Beta v12.3 is rolling out to thousands of customer vehicles in the US, including to some on the East Coast. The account notes that all vehicles included in this wave of V12 deployment are on software versions 2023.44.30.8 and 2023.44.30.14, as can be seen in the post below. Within the last hour, Tesla deployed full self-driving beta the fifth 12.3 to thousands of customer vehicles across the United States, including the East Coast. All vehicles in this wave are originating from 2023.44.30.8 and 2023.44.30.14. Notably, the update appears to be rolling out to FSD beta customers in every US state, with many users in the thread sharing that they gained access to the version in their region of the country. In Canada, however, the update is currently only available to Tesla employees, although Teslascope expects new FSD beta versions to be rolling out to the country soon. Teslascope also noted in the thread that, for the first time ever, Tesla customers with HW4-equipped vehicles are not yet getting the new update, despite the version having rolled out to the Tesla employees and special testing group with HW4. When another person asked if this is due to performance issues with the HW4, Teslascope notes that the employees they've spoken to have only had good things to say about the software. Not from what we've heard. Every employee with HW4 has had nothing but positive feedback. Even improved some experiences in their local area from 12.2.1. Tesla began deploying the FSD Beta v12.2.1 to customers about a month ago, and users largely also had positive things to say about that software's progress, despite a few small regressions. Some pointed to the software version's ability to comfortably make U-turns and low visibility turns as major improvements, highlighting the V12 shift to full neural network control of the vehicle. Last year, CEO Elon Musk said that the FSD Beta V12 would drop the beta designation. And while current versions of V12 going out still include the distinction, Teslascope has also said that it could still be dropped later this year. In December, as early versions of version 12 were rolling out to Tesla employees, Musk noted that the software had to undergo some extra testing before being released more widely. You can see FSD Beta v12.3 in action below. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.